How to use the My Equipment feature on parts.cat.com. This video will show you how to use the My Equipment feature on parts.cat.com so you can start enjoying all the benefits of Cat Parts online shopping. The My Equipment feature will help you shop and find the right part that fits your equipment. When your parts.cat.com user account is linked to your Tormod account number, you will already have a populated equipment list based on the information your dealer has. On the home page, click on Select Equipment and then Select. You'll see a list of equipment to choose from for your search. If the equipment you're looking for is not on the list, you can then click on Add Equipment. Enter the equipment model or serial number and search. Select the model and a window will appear to enter your asset ID and CAT serial number. You can enable the Share Equipment with Dealer button if you wish your dealer to receive a notification to add this equipment to your account in the database. Then Save Equipment. By selecting an equipment from your list, the search results will automatically offer a more limited subset of parts that will apply only to your selected equipment. This helps you get closer to the right parts without requiring specific machine information. The My Equipment feature allows you to save your assets, making it easier for additional searches when you return to the site in the future. A green checkmark appears, offering you peace of mind and greater confidence that you'll get the right fit. Once the search gets you the right part, great care has been given to make sure we offer complete information to help confirm you have found the correct item. Parts pages on parts.cat.com show relevant information like description, specification, and parts diagrams when a serial number has been included. You can see what's related or nearby parts that you may want to consider based on the area of the equipment you'll be working on. If you are ready to move into the checkout process, click Add to Cart and Checkout. See our additional videos to learn how to set up your customer preferences and the various ways to find the parts that you need on parts.cat.com.